Hello everybody, I'm here to tell you a little bit about a product that I always have in the house, basically in case you ever need it, which something always comes up, something's always breaking, or we need Gorilla Glue to kind of fix things and mend things, and it's a really great product. So this is original Gorilla Glue. It's an awesome glue. It's really tough. They sell this at hardware stores, easy to get online. It bonds wood, stone, metal, ceramic, foam, glass, and more. It's really heavy duty, which I love because I've broken like things in my house, ceramics and little things that you can't really use a hot glue gun for. Oh, and this works great with wood. I think it says here, but I've used it on wood, and it's awesome on that. So it's for things you can't use Elmer's or a hot glue gun for, basically. Warning, it says on here, eye and skin irritant, store away from children and animals, read cautions on back panel. This is the 2-ounce container or 59 milliliter, but I think you can also get larger ones as well as smaller ones. And the label has the gorilla, which I love animals. It says incredibly strong gorilla, 100% tough. So like it said, all these things in here, bonds wood, stone, metal, ceramic, foam, glass, and more. Works great on glass too. I've tried it on glass, wood, ceramics, and I haven't tried it on metal or foam, but I'm sure it's great on that. And I'm sure I'll have to use it at some point in the future on metal or foam. So this is the top, so it comes out really easily. If you guys can see at the top. You just got to give it a little squeeze and it'll come out, and then the top screws back on just as easily as it comes off. So I usually just store it in the garage. You can go wherever, even the pantry, wherever is easy accessible. And back here it says directions: all surfaces must be clean and tight-fitting. Wear gloves to avoid skin contact. Yes, definitely want to wear gloves because I've glued my 2 fingers together and it's not fun, guys. Because then you gotta like get hot water and try to get it off, and then it's like it doesn't completely come off right away and it's all sticky and it's a mess. So just make sure you wear gloves. Gorilla Glue will stain skin and ruin clothes. That is true too. So make sure you're wearing clothes that are like you don't really care about, or just be like extra careful. So 1, it says damp it. 2, glue it. 3, clamp it. Number 1, lightly dampen one surface with water. Do not add water to bottle. 2, spread a thin layer of Gorilla Glue on other surface. 3, clamp objects together for 1 to 2 hours. You can use heavy objects to achieve clamping pressure. Bond line improves with better clamping. Full cure in 24 hours. Note: do not microwave or heat. Do not over-apply glue. While curing, glue will expand 3 to 4 times. Be careful of squeeze out. Storage: after each use, wipe nozzle clean with a dry cloth and tightly replace the lid. Store in a cool, dry place. Store away from children and animals. Not recommended for use on polyethylene or polypropylene plastics. See full warning on inside panel, which is over here. Just gotta peel this off, which I haven't really done yet. I'm usually pretty careful about using it, but yep. So that would be over here. That you just peel this off. The warning would be inside. The full warning conforms to ASTM D4236. Made in USA with domestic and imported materials. Copyright 2016, The Gorilla Glue Company, 2015, East Kemper Road in Cincinnati, Ohio. It's the number you could call if you have any more questions, and their website is www.gorillatough.com, and there is the barcode. So I'm sure this is recyclable when it's done because it's plastic, and it's just a really great product to have in the house because you never know, something could come up and get broken, or it's in case of an emergency or whatever the case is. I've had several instances come up where I definitely needed Gorilla Glue. I broke like a frame, and like the outside of the frame broke off, like a piece of it, and I used Gorilla Glue to, I think that was my most recent thing that I used it for, and the Gorilla Glue worked perfectly. Just got to be careful, like really give it that 24 hours of time to dry and to kind of set and be cured. So this is original Gorilla Glue. I hope that you guys will try it out for all your projects or at-home needs. I hope you love it, and I thank you for watching. Thanks, guys.